All right, now I'm showing you some really cool graphing stuff that I don't have any clue how to do. But I made this grid, and I can show you how to do that. And then I'm putting a ruler on here, because what do I know? And I'm making sort of straight lines. And we could pre-do, you know, the things. You know, I don't know what those things are. You know, I remember this was like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I remember that. And I don't want that stuff. So I'm gonna erase all of it. Okay. And I'm gonna color little boxes in. And I'm gonna draw. I'm gonna put this down with this. This is hard to see, so you only get to see the top of my head. So that sucks. Hold, you know what though? I think I've got another. Let me see. Let's. Oh, I see my. Okay. Okay. All right. So I gotta do a better job here. Okay. I think I need to plug that. Okay. Stop.